Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a full-width button widget in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _my home page state. This is _my home page state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the container widget. We set the margin of the container. The child of the container widget is an elevated button. The width of the container widget is set to infinity. This will increase the width of the elevated button to the fullest. Let's run the app. As you can see, the width of the button is the fullest, as in match parent. So that's it. That's how you can implement the full width button in Flutter Android. Thank you.